What is the largest land animal on Earth? Rhinoceros, giraffe, hippopotamus, African elephant. The correct answer is African elephant. Which element is represented by the symbol O on the periodic table? Gold, oxygen, osmium, oxide. The correct answer is oxygen. What natural wonder stretches over 2,300 kilometers off the coast of Australia? The Amazon rainforest, the Great Barrier Reef, the Grand Canyon, Mount Everest. The correct answer is the Great Barrier Reef. Which desert is considered the driest place on Earth? Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert, Gobi Desert, Atacama Desert. The correct answer is Atacama Desert. What is the capital city of the Gambia, a small country wrapped around a river in West Africa? Banjul, Libreville, Suva, Lusaka. The correct answer is Banjul. What is the title of Kobe Bryant's inspiring autobiography? To the Stars, Extraordinary, Ordinary People, In the Arena. The correct answer is The Mamba Mentality, How I Play. In what year did Chevrolet roll out its very first pickup truck? 1918, 1925, 1935, 1945. The correct answer is 1918. How many towering minarets rise from the Hagia Sophia Mosque? 2, 4, 6, 8. The correct answer is 4. Which island group is not located in the Indian Ocean? Seychelles, Comoros, Maldives, Azores. The correct answer is Azores. Which famous ship sank after hitting an iceberg in 1912? Britannic, Lusitania, Titanic, Queen Mary. The correct answer is Titanic. In Japanese, what does the word odachis mean? Great sword, long sword, big sword, strong sword. The correct answer is long sword. The Ring of Fire is a volcanic zone circling which ocean? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. What do people in the Netherlands call Santa Claus? Papa Noel, Kris Kringle,
Sinterklaas.
Père Noël.
The correct answer is Sinterklaas.
Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? Leonardo da Vinci, Vincent van Gogh, Raphael, Michelangelo. The correct answer is Michelangelo. Who wrote The Sun Also Rises, a novel about American and British expats in 1920s Europe? Ernest Hemingway, William Faulkner, F. Scott Fitzgerald, John Steinbeck. The correct answer is Ernest Hemingway. Which city is famously known as the City of Love? Rome, Paris, Venice, New York. The correct answer is Paris. Which of the following means hello in Arabic? Hola, bonjour, marhaba, konnichiwa. The correct answer is Mahaba. Which of the following is not a volcanic island in the Pacific Ocean? Hawaii, Galapagos Islands, Fiji Islands, Maldives Islands. The correct answer is Maldives Islands. Which festival honored the Mesopotamian storm god Hadad? The Festival of the Harvest, the Festival of the New Moon, the Festival of the Storm, the Festival of the New Year. The correct answer is the Festival of the Storm. What is the name of the famous spaceship in Star Trek? Discovery, Voyager, Millennium Falcon, Enterprise. The correct answer is Enterprise. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Mars, Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter. The correct answer is Saturn. Vale Tudo, a no-holds-barred martial art, originated in which country? Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Philippines. The correct answer is Brazil. Mount Fuji is located on which Japanese island? Hokkaido, Kyushu, Honshu, Shikoku. The correct answer is Honshu. What usually happens to a car's speedometer reading if you change to larger tires? The reading stays the same. The reading decreases. The reading increases. None. The correct answer is the reading increases. What is the name of the technique Picasso used to glue objects onto a canvas? Collage, printmaking, sculpture, encaustic. The correct answer is collage. The Cape of Good Hope lies at the southern tip of which continent? South America, Africa, Asia, Australia. The correct answer is Africa. Who was the first Anglo-Saxon king to rule all of England? Alfred the Great, William the Conqueror, Offa of Mercia, Aethelstan. The correct answer is Aethelstan. Where are the Nazca Lines? Bolivia, Mexico, Peru, Chile. The correct answer is Peru. In which country is the Karakum Desert located? Kazakhstan, Iran, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan. The correct answer is Turkmenistan. Which country is home to the city of Calgary and a lot of moose? Canada, USA, Scotland, Australia. The correct answer is Canada.